Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2011 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive, 6.7 Power Stroke diesel. It's got 11-foot nap hide bed, IMT 3,200 pound crane, a VMAC hydraulic or VMAC air compressor runs off the engine. It's got a Hobart Champion Elite Welder generator. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Union Pacific Railroad. This truck come out of Texas. It's a rust-free truck. It's got 277,000 miles on it. They told us they replaced the engine in the truck, I think, at 210 or something like that. It'll be in the description on eBay. I can't remember what the mileage was, but with a Ford engine. It runs out and drives great. Everything works on it like it should. Got American Eagle toolboxes. Hydraulic outrigger, wilted vise. Air hose and reel. Another American Eagle toolbox. Another toolbox here. Alright, I'm going to start it up and show you the crane and the VMAC compressor. .277 410 PTO switch. Outrigger down. Up. Down. Side to side. This is a proportional crane. So you got the trigger on the controller. Winch down, extension out, extension in, winch up, boom down, that. Outrigger back up. Work lights. It has compartment lights. Yeah, compartment lights. Kick the VMAC on. That's your compressor right there. Turn it on here. Kick on. Thing's already up to 150. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, a gas compressor ain't gonna do that. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. Again, it's a 2011 F550, two-wheel drive, 6.7 diesel, 11-foot nap high bed, 3,200 pound IMT, VMAC air compressor, 277,000 miles. Engine's been replaced. Really nice truck. Don't wait around. These trucks outfitted like this don't last long. PTO off, brake on. Radio works. AC and all works like it should. If you're looking at this truck out of state and you want to have it shipped, we can ship it straight to your door. On a truck like this, figure around $1.25 a mile. Maybe a little less, depends on where you live exactly. If you're somewhere like Dallas, we ship them. That's a very easy place to ship them to. We can just about get them shipped there for $1 a mile. If you're out in the middle of Maine or somewhere like that, it figures a little more. Figure $1.25, maybe even $1.50 a mile. Like I said, it just depends on where you're at. But give us a call. Thanks for watching.